Hi everyone, my name is Rosana Garcia. Basically, I want to explain how does work my repository statistical report. Basically, the goal is be able to create functions that receive a given data set for healthcare and store all the information we want us to provide into a PDF file. However, since we are just learning how to use Pandas and Matplotlib libraries, at the moment we want to show how we can use some easy functionalities of Pandas and Matplotlib to display the information and how to store it in different PDF files. First of all, we're working with a dataset provided for Kaggle. Its name is Healthcare Dataset CSV file. I have provided the link to the dataset so you can work with it in your own. This is a registration form of different medical centers in a given area. This is just a simulation case. This is not a real form. However, this contains information simulating real cases of daily life. And we have in the dataset information just like the name, gender, who is the doctor that attend the person, and so off. We have data that can be stored and processed in order to obtain information from it. You use a PD that is the pandas um, name we gives to the libraries in order to use it through the file. We read the CSV file and then start to manipulate the data. Is a warning here. Date of admission was stored as a string when loaded with the read CSV. It's not stored as a date-time information. Therefore, you need to make this function first to convert from a string type to a date type and so off manipulate more easily the information you want from the dates of admission and possibly dates of release in the hospitals. However, for our study cases, we are only going to work with date of admission. So we make this filter here. Of all the columns, we are only going to work with this for medical condition, gender, hospital, and date of admission. After that, we store what are the times we are going to work with. This is our starting times of time. The first one is 2023 and the second one is 2024. The first case of study is how much cases of each disease the area have had since 2023. For this, we provide these functionalities. Basically, the first one is called, the first that is run is medical center assistance. This function took all the medical centers, makes a study over all of them and study the case of disease we want to analyze. We have provided here the array of disease we have in the main function. And what this program does is study each one of the disease case and store how many cases, that means it makes a count number of how many cases it have received from the given date until current date. And store finally into a dictionary the key values of the disease with the number obtained at the end. And after that, what do? We send it to a show plot function that creates the format of the image and finally store it into the PDF file. Uh, to create and store, we use PDF pages provided for Matplotlib library. Uh, but there is a warning here. PDF page, until the moment, I have not yet made it possible that it will add information in new pages over the given PDF file. At the moment, it only overwrites the file and in case of it doesn't exist, create it. Let's run, for example, Here you can see these are the resulting PDF file for our cases. The second one is displayed with show spectroscopy, and spectrum is a easy plot that only compares different kinds of value in one image. So you can see how is the behavior of two or more different kinds of plots in a same image. In this case, we are studying the case of gender for diabetes. Here is the information we provide. We want to study the disease number 4, that is diabetes, and how many cases of male and female we have had since starting date until another date case, in this case 2024, not current date. However, if you want to study until current date, just don't add the information. As you can see, the default value for the final date is the current date from the moment you are running the program, so don't worry about that. Well, for this we needed to make more complicated operation, like make filters and aggregation value after make a group by. These are all functions provided by Pandas, and the results are here in these images. As you can see, you can store an image of all the possible cases we have received since one day to another. And the function also asks to provide the specific number ahead of the bar, so you can see in case they are very close one from another. For example, arthritis and diabetes are very close one for another, but with this you can see what is the difference. In this case, arthritis has been the case that has been more traded to this period of time through all the medical centers. We also have the spectral plot. Here, orange are male, blue are females, and we can see that there is a tendency to receive daily a number of 3 to 4 patients by day. And well, that's everything for now. I hope you like this video. For more information, you can read the README file. Goodbye.